People are like literally coming to the ACC tonight to see Jay-Z. Wow. As you can see, it's like security officials gathering around for something. Wow. Pretty, huh? People are like literally trying to find parking. That's what I'm saying. So, let's listen to the loud rap music, shall we? Oh, right. Here we go. Wow. That's loud. Wow. Hear it? Woo. Loud rap. That's what I call it there. Wow. It's something, isn't it?